I can do this all day.
What you like?
You want me to stop sharing and look at something else?
No, do you think? Do you think if you got a couple others in mind you want to take a look at?
Let's look at you already look at GJ.
A little bit. I didn't hit any of the Euro pairs. None of the other indexes like US, UK 100 or German 30 or nothing.
German 30.
Silver,
I don't think I looked at German 30 in a while. Let's look at it. It's just
long time, long time.
it's been a minute. I don't even think I have a marked up on the chart. So we can look at it. I'll do a fresh markup on the chart. I'll give you what I'm looking at over a time period. So I don't know if anybody's who watches this stuff, but things I like to do when I first mark up is I take the like levels. So first strong level I see here, here, here. This is on a month, on a weekly. So I know I'm at a strong level here. This has happened a couple of times. I also know this is a strong level. So that's why you see so many markers on my chart. I take a lot of levels. This is a strong level. This is not, has it been here before this level? It hasn't. So this is the highest level that we have. So this is our high. And then what else we got? Is this a level? It's not. Is this a level? Possibly. We can look at the daily and see. So daily gives us more of what we're looking for. Still a strong level. It breaks out a little bit, but it comes back down, broke through. This looks like a level here. Let's put it down here. Magnets, I hate magnets. Yep, that's a level. Here, 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 here. That's a level. So now we know what we're looking at for levels. I can take it down to the daily and I can see what it's giving me. So right now it looks like it's coming down. It's giving you some kind of double bottom, but it's coming back and retesting right now. So this might break down, but we gotta see why is it breaking down. I see I have a engulfing, strong bullish engulfing coming down. It's hitting our level right now, the water. So it's the water and it's sitting here right now on the daily. This is a new day. So this will probably come back and retrace today and it'll probably come down some more. But how can we affirm that? That's the question. So next thing I'll do is I start drawing out trend lines. I like to see where the trend's going. So we know the trend is here. See if there's a channel that's formed somewhere. I like to clone this because I like to keep the same one because I'm awkward. This is a nice trend. This is just fucking weird here. This breakout was weird. There probably was some kind of news or something that happened and caused this to break out. So we'll call that as a, what's it called? Anomaly. That's gonna be an anomaly for us today. So we know
So
that this is close to the top of this channel. We've seen it happen hit once and twice. Usually when you see channels, it hits 3 times to the top of it before it makes a reversal. So we'll watch that for a minute. We see on the daily, like we said before, it might be coming down, but it's at a good level here for it to reverse. We've seen this before that happened here. And let's look at some candles that I like to do it on. So it's strong engulfing, strong engulfing. Let's see if we see any more strong engulfings throughout this thing. Here's one. That's a doji into an engulfing candle, broke through at the top of our channel at an all-time high. That's the high for it. This was almost an engulfing. That wasn't one. Let's see if we see another one at a level. Engulfing here at a level that broke up for 4 candles. Let's see if there's like an average for it. Not engulfing. What else we got here? Not engulfing. This has this been filled yet? It has. Cool. Kind of been engulfing. Did it for 7 candles. Huh. I still like this level. So I'm gonna say this is gonna sell probably. I like this for a sell. It's at the top of a channel. So my question, next question that I always told myself when I was a new person was like, so how do I get in this chart? So where would I get in that? So I see this is engulfing. I know this is a daily. I see that it's probably gonna drop down, but I'm looking for a retest. So I do my fib, see what the 50% of this last candle was, see what's the price point, 13,601. It might be a good one, but I don't want to risk it. Let's go down to a 4 hours and see if there's anything stronger that's showing us reversals. This was a reversal. This might happen.
ooh,
This is another double top here, like we just been talking about. So double top. I didn't even look at this chart yet to know what's coming down. To know it's a double top here. So that's just stuff that you see. So we have our entry now into it. I see what I like now. I'm like, okay, there's a double top here. So boom. This is my neckline. If this comes down more, cool. Same thing we just talked about, 50%. 13601, 13607. Wow, okay, whatever. A couple pips, I don't care.
Eat, young man, eat.
I don't care. So we look at this again and we see, okay, this is probably gonna come up some. So once it's to come up, and we want to catch this neckline for this sell because we just talked about it being a sell. So we want to go to a sell. So where do we sell to? We got this level here on the 4 hours. We got this level because of here. This level, this level. These are levels. So if I was being smart here, I would probably sell it for 40 pips or 50 pips and call it a day.
Go
but
ahead and throw that on the whiteboard.
I don't do smart stuff here anymore in my life. So level. My son's coming to my room to say good night. Yes, sir. Good night. Not right now, sir. I'm talking to some people, marking up some charts. I love you. I love you too.
What's that?
What's that? Some people's. Zay turned his camera off, so we can't see Zay no more. So up to the neckline, drop down, and then we get into the sell. So that's what we're trying to do. Good night. Love you. And then this is what we're gonna get into. So this is our sell that we see. So we'll go back to the daily again. We see the same sell. Cool. I'll take this sell off, and then we can go for a while. Honestly, this is at an all-time high again. Remember that. So this sell is probably gonna happen for a while. This isn't gonna be a short one. And always look at this channel. Everything's like to stay in this channel and follow these AMAs. So we saying this is a short move right here for us, but if we were doing long-term trades, which is what I do now, there's a lot of long-term trades. I'm taking this to this level here probably at some point. And I'll probably follow it this way just so I can like play out longer. If I look at this in like a couple months, I'm like, oh, I was smart. I was right about this. So boom, that's your markup. How many pips is it? Let's do a
Did you ask for anything else? Jesus.
short position here. Let's go here and let's go here. That's a short position. Do we want to go? I don't like leaving outside my channel. So we know that this is a level. I would normally take it to here, but that's a stupid idea. So if it breaks outside this channel, which it possibly could, then we'll get out this trade. So we risk so much to take so much. So it's a good 3.31%. Stop is at 447. We break it. It should be good. This is a good enough trade for us. I like it. Yeah, it's a 4.2 risk reward. I like it. So
let's go. I'm with that. I'm taking that trade tonight.
So that's the trade. But the thing is, we're looking for that. We gotta wait. We don't jump into this trade until we see it retrace. So once this retraces up, gets our 50%, then we take the sell, and then we make our money. We call it a day. That's really all it is.
London